Hey, it's Gareth and Janet.
Hi.
And we are on the Brekkefossen Trail up to the falls in Flam, Norway. And it's steep. Not right here, but it's gonna be. Howdy.
You're going to get, oh mate, holding that the whole way.
Yeah.
Oh, it won't be the whole way.
Oh, okay.
But you'll be on
But at
YouTube.
least you'll be on YouTube, right? So, just warning them. Dog. Woof. That's a lot of cameras. Was that fun? Shouldn't you be riding down?
Not with all these people.
Hey, let these people pass us.
Oh, bless you, thank you.
Now don't let me pass you.
You probably will.
Make me proud. Hi.
A long way to go.
Well, that's not what you're supposed to say.
You're supposed to say it's right up there.
Howdy. So we're on the steps, going up. Janet's up ahead in the white t-shirt. It's not that hard. Yeah. But these,
Good luck.
thank you.
Enjoy. It's worth it.
Those were unsolicited comments. And we hope it's worth it every time. I think I see houses way up on that hill behind me. I think it might be getting steeper.
Maybe.
A lot of people stopping and resting. We stopped and rest, sort of. Janet had a wardrobe change. There, see the mountain behind us? Yeah, it's me breathing hard. Looks like it's flattening out. But maybe it's only an illusion.
Yeah, probably back, I don't know, before 3:30, and then it'll be free time. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, I know. A lot of steps. A lot of steps. And a little creek.
Well done. Are we almost there? No.
Let's take a detour up here. See the town back there?
Not much further.
No?
No.
Let's go here.
You're almost your last one.
Thank you.
Less than 100 steps.
Okay.
I'm gonna count. 2, 3, 4. No, I'm not. The steps are lower, at least intermittently.
You want the guys over? I can't do it.
Thank you very much.
So, I have it on good authority that we're almost there. I don't know. I think I might have said that already. So I'm going to have to cut that part out. Hi. Now here the steps are way steeper. Janet's in the lead now. Oh, some more steep ones. We might be at the top of the stairs. Look at that. Hi there. Hello. Whew. Is this it? No. A little more. Look at this idyllic scene.
There are 20 steps you're there, not to worry. 20 more
I see a
steps.
fence.
Look at water.
Hang on. Oh yeah, that's it right there. So, more steps. And yes, I'm overusing the word idyllic. So I'm going to stop. And I'm trying to stop pointing, but it's tough for me. Hi. Metal cable here. If you're very tall, you're going to hit that. There's a sign telling me where I'm at, in case I forgot what I was doing. And here's people. So this is what we saw from way down below. This little outcropping. And I guess that's the trail on up. You know, the 15 meter? No, 15 kilometer. Oh, see that? Janet's bringing up the rear. I think I have a pirate behind me. Only it would be more like R. Well, that is a big waterfall. Too noisy here. Too noisy. That's more like it. Walk down here. Oh, it's not dark. There's a lot of people out here. A lot of people. I'm going to try to get in front of them all. And I've done it. And there's a trail going down, if that's your thing. I came down here. Oh, you can see another little waterfall up there. This is a group of people up here at this moment. thinking it's an endless group, and of course there you can see the waterfall a lot better. The ships are out behind me there in Flam. And I'm on the top of a cliff. Although I did notice a trail going down there, but I don't want to go down there. Make sure you look all around though. I'm actually going to turn. Goes from Brekkefossen Falls in Flam, Norway. It's Gareth and Janet. See you in the next port. Bye.